OneDrive versus Google Drive. Which is better in 2025? So which is better in 2025? Choose OneDrive if you use Windows or Microsoft 365, want deep integration with Teams or SharePoint, prefer desktop apps over web-based tools, need 1 terabyte plus at a good values, comes with Office apps. So choose Google Drive if you use Gmail or Android daily, collaborate often in docs, sheets, with others in real time. Prefer a clean cloud first workflow. 115 gigabyte free to start without subscribing. So the bottom line is best for Microsoft Office users is OneDrive. Best for real-time collaboration and Google ecosystem is Google Drive. So let me know what you think on what is better in 2025, OneDrive or Google Drive. The choice is yours.